top 5 decluttering strategies that instantly save you money.
Discover practical ways to clear your space and your expenses. In this video, we'll reveal how focused decluttering not only makes your home tidier, but also helps you keep more money in your pocket. From stopping duplicate buys to making smart sales, these strategies are designed to give you ongoing financial benefits while reducing waste.
1. Sell unused items for extra cash.
This previous message was being spoken. The unwanted electronics, clothes, furniture, and gadgets can easily find a new home online or at local consignment shops, frees up space, and keeps valuable items out of landfills. Every sale puts money back in your wallet and helps you prioritize what truly matters.
2. Take inventory before shopping.
Check what you already have before heading out to shop. Decluttering your pantry, closet, or storage spaces helps you avoid buying duplicates or items you forgot you owned. By using up what you already have, you'll cut back on unnecessary purchases and reduce food and product waste, putting real savings right back into your budget.
3. Cancel unused subscriptions and services.
Identify and cancel subscriptions you rarely use. Streaming platforms, gym memberships, and subscription boxes can quietly drain your finances if left unchecked. Decluttering these ongoing expenses each year ensures you're only paying for what you truly want and need, leading to steady, recurring savings with little effort.
4. Organize for efficient use.
A well-organized space saves you both time and money. When everything has a designated place, you're less likely to misplace items and repurchase them. From labeled containers to streamlined storage, an efficient setup prevents wasteful buying and allows you to quickly find what you need, making daily routines smoother and less costly.
5. Donate for tax deductions.
Declutter by donating gently used goods to charity. Many organizations provide receipts for your donations, which you can use for potential tax deductions. You'll not only save money during tax season, but also support good causes and reduce waste. Keep a record of your donated items and their values to maximize this financial benefit.
Get started and watch the savings add up.
Start small and see big results. By applying these decluttering strategies, you'll notice immediate and ongoing savings while enjoying a more organized life. Whether you're selling, organizing, or donating, each step helps your wallet and the environment. Begin today and unlock the full financial power of a clutter-free lifestyle.